Yo, so I'm about to deposit my last 1.4 soul into this copy trader that I found. I've already went ahead and put Cupsy, Orangey, all these other wallets that are making a killing on Twitter. Let's see if I can make some money copy trading, bro. I really need this, man. I'm down to my last 1.4 soul trading on this wallet. Let's get it. No way, bro. I just made like 22 soul, bro. That's like $5,000. I can't believe this worked this well, bro. I literally didn't even do anything. It copy traded for me. So 2 days ago, I stumbled across this website that's unlike anything that I've ever actually seen. I've always wondered what it would be like if I stopped losing money trading to all these fast meme coin insiders that basically dump on you and dumped on me with every single trade that I made. And I started losing thousands of dollars every single day. And it's only getting worse lately as more people come into this meme coin space. Unlike other platforms that allow you to instant buy, this platform actually copies the trades for any wallet that you choose to plug in automatically using a gRPC system that allows trades to happen literally in milliseconds. So you can beat all these meme coin insiders. So I took the remaining 1.4 soul from one of my wallets and I sorted to the top most profitable meme coin millionaires that I know of and a lot of insiders that I know of who are making $10,000 or more every single day. I'll leave a link to those wallets and I'll actually copy and paste them in the description below. And I wanted to see what happened, and it literally made me close to $5,000 in only 24 hours. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do the same thing. So if you guys haven't seen, there's people that are making literally millions of dollars, $500,000 in a week, millions of dollars every single month, just trading meme coins all day and all night. And the fact is, most of these people, you're never going to be able to do what they do. Why? Because they're faster than you at trading, and because they literally devote their time, their effort, their days, literally just to be here 24/7, getting the coins faster than you. And they're able to obviously make a lot of profit on it because they're basically just extremely fast and good at what they do. A traditional way of going about this is to learn trading. Like, you actually have to learn how to trade the way they do. You have to devote 24/7 hours into making sure that this happens. So the natural progression of this would be actually to just be able to copy trade them. This is what I did over the past couple weeks, and obviously made close to $5,000 doing so, especially copying these big traders. Now, the only problem is, before this, the only way that you could copy trade effectively was to literally develop, like, this is another tutorial on YouTube, develop your own freaking application on how to do this. And if you're not a developer like me and you're dumb like me, you do not know the first way to go about doing this at the very beginning. Or there's some clunky old bots that are either slower or hard to use. Like, who the hell is going to be on Telegram all day and making sure that you set it up using a chat? It was way too complicated, and not to mention that it's extremely slow and extremely clunky. You don't know what's going on. It doesn't update you live as to what is currently happening, and it's extremely clunky. This is where a website that I found recently called uwu.ai. Yes, I know, funny name, but it's the first website that I've actually seen that uses gRPC, which means millisecond copy trading. It supports every single platform. It's optimized for profit and already has thousands of users. In this video, I'm going to go exactly on how exactly to use it, because the fact is, it's made it everything extremely simple to do. In literally 3 steps, we can be up and running, having a copy trader that automatically copies these people that are making millions of dollars trading meme coins, so you could get even a small percentage of that. Okay, so let's actually go ahead and walk through it, specifically how to go ahead and do this. The first thing you want to do is, I'll leave a link to the site in the description. You want to do select wallet. You want to connect your Phantom wallet to it. It's a very simple process. You just click sign in and you click confirm. Here you go. You're going to be able to actually see different wallets that you create here. We want to go ahead and create a new wallet. Once we create that new wallet, we're going to see the fresh wallet here. In order to start doing this, you need to make sure that you deposit some soul, because this is a fresh new wallet that has been created in order to start copy trading on your behalf. That way you ensure the fastest speeds. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and copy the address, and we're actually going to send some Solana to it, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that we have some here. Cool. So now we're going to go ahead and send some Solana to this address. Now that we copy the address, we're going to go ahead and just send some soul to it, and it's automatically going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and send 0.5 because I want you guys to see exactly how this works. There we go. It should update as long as we just refresh. It should come about here. There we go. Automatically, there we go. We started with 0.5 soul, and in this video, you're going to see how things go live. So the first step is actually going to be wallet curation, because now that we've set up everything, we have the soul balance in there. We need to be able to enter the wallets that we're going to be copy trading. And the cool part is, obviously, wallet curation, you have to be very careful about it, but it can make or break the money that you're making in every single day. I'll leave a link to QL scan down below. These are the top traders on Solana currently. It gets updated automatically. People change, right? right? Some of these are more consistent than others. So Cupsy is like #1 spot almost every single month for the past like 3-4 months. Some of these people come and go, but the fact is I'll still leave a link to it in the description because you're able to literally like just copy their wallets in one click. So we'll add Cupsy right here, just as an example. We can add in here and we can actually rename this one to Cupsy. There we go. The cool part about this is if you guys want the wallets that I personally used in the beginning of this video to make the amount of money that I made, I won't even leave a link. I'll just leave these copy and pastable in the description below. That way you guys can take a look at these for yourself. And if you guys want to join my Telegram, I actually share different wallets that I'm adding ongoing to my list. That way you guys can stay on top of it, because again, trends change. Some of these traders become unprofitable, some of them stay profitable, but you want to make sure that you stay on top of that list, and you want to make sure that you have a good list from the very get-go. If not, stuff is going to go bad for you. Okay, next is the technical setup. So obviously right now that we have this list, I'll cut to where I add all these wallets in. So next is actually the technical setup, which we've already done the most part of. So let's say right here, let me actually go ahead and add all these wallets in. There we go. I've added the top 5 wallets. Some of them are actually in my list as well that again, I'm leaving a link to in the description. But now that we've actually gone ahead and added all these wallets, we can now simply go ahead and click right here, and we can copy the same exact amount that they're using to trade. But most of them, like even the top traders, are using like thousands of dollars a hand every single time they're going in. What I like to do is I just like to click a fixed amount. I like to set mine for 0.5. Okay, 0.05. It's automatically going to start trading using this amount, and we're going to start to see the trades going in live. As you can see, we traded this specific wallet. It's already buying and it's already doing its thing. Every single trade that's coming in from these top wallet is automatically being traded. And the last and final step, that's the most critical, absolutely, is to be constantly tweaking what it is and what your strategy is when you're copying these wallets and when you're copy trading. It's not something that's going to be extremely easy, okay, that you're going to come in and automatically refresh and you're going to have thousands and thousands of dollars sitting there. In some cases it might be the case. In other cases, mostly you're going to have to be monitoring specifically what wallets you're copy trading. I like to start every single day, literally every single day, making sure that the wallets on my list are still at the top of the leaderboard and are still profitable by going in and scanning each one of them manually. Or in my group, in my free Telegram group, I actually go ahead and review the wallets every single day, and I'm going to do that as well. You have to be constantly tweaking, because this isn't specifically a money printer per se, but it is close to it if you treat it correctly. So you need to make sure that if you're doing this, you're constantly adding and removing new wallets, because some traders have good months, some traders have bad months, and you need to make sure that copy trading isn't your main source of income. Like if you want to actually make money with meme coins, you have to make sure that you split your portfolio, right? I like to personally split my portfolio to 50% trading. Okay, 50% goes to trading meme coins, 30% of my portfolio actually goes into developing meme coins, and I have more videos specifically on that, and then 20% of my portfolio actually goes to copy trading. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and tell you only copy trade, guys, it's going to make you rich, but it's a combination, a culmination of all these different things that are going to make you extremely wealthy this bull run. The bull run isn't over yet, it's actually just starting. If you look at Solana prices, everything that's going on, and I wanted to make this quick video because I had a very successful literally 24 hours this last coming week, and I wanted to share this with you because there's a lot of people that aren't talking about it, but it's heavily utilized by people, by most people, and some of these people on this list are actually copy traders, believe it or not, and that's why they're able to be so fast and be so efficient, literally almost 24 hours of the day. Also, one of the most amazing things about this site is that you can actually start earning rewards. So obviously the site is 100% free, but it takes a tiny bit of commission every single transaction, and you're going to be able to tap into that and actually start earning rewards if you actually go ahead and use the link that they have here. You could set a custom name. So for example, for this purpose, I could put Mr. Profit and save that right there, and my own custom links here. You guys can actually use it in the description. I'll leave it down below, but no, I'm just kidding. I'll leave a link to the whole site down below if you guys want to take a look at it. But I did think this was a very interesting feature, as honestly no other site is offering commissions rates just like this one, especially for copy trading. All right guys, well, peace out, catch you guys later.